Here are 3 very useful tips to help you in your learning. My name is Alexander, and I will be teaching you English. This is my first short video, so I thought we could start off strong. Number 1 is discipline. The ability to persevere in spite of difficulty, and the ability to do monotonous and boring tasks continuously is invaluable when it comes to learning. The process is long, and it's okay to take breaks now and then, but be mindful of how often you take breaks. Number 2 is exposure. If you really want to speed up your learning and really master a subject or a skill, you need to learn it but also live it. What this means is that you need to integrate something into your life as much as possible. So if you're learning English, you should spend as much time in your day or week as you can reading, listening, writing, doing exercises, or speaking it. And this leads us to the third thing, creativity. Because you need to increase your exposure to English, but you probably can't take private lessons every day, you need to find other activities that you like to do that involve the English language, or at least find activities that you don't hate to do. I like listening to podcasts, I like writing, I like playing video games, I like speaking, and that's why I'm a teacher. You don't need to be a teacher, but if you want to have a successful learning process, you should do some self-exploration and see what works for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section.